Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into product reviews to give you the real scoop. Today, we're switching things up a bit and talking about something that's not beauty related, but essential for any homeowner or gardener out there: the Jonathan Green Black Beauty Dense Shade Grass Seed. Whether you have a yard that's covered in shade from big trees or shaded areas around your house, this product might be a game changer for your lawn. Let's break it down. The Jonathan Green Black Beauty Dense Shade Grass Seed is designed specifically for areas where sunlight isn't reaching the ground as much, like under large trees, beside big structures, or shaded garden corners. This mix is meant to help grow a lush, dark green lawn in areas where other grass types might struggle to thrive. With a blend of 4 cool season grasses, it promises healthy, dense turf that can withstand shaded environments and still look beautiful. In this 25-pound bag, you get enough seed to cover up to 7,500 square feet for a brand new lawn, or up to 15,000 square feet if you're overseeding an existing lawn. The best time to plant is during cooler seasons, either from mid-March to mid-May or mid-August to mid-October. I've been testing this grass seed in my own yard, where a few sections struggle to get the full sun. The setup process was straightforward. Just sprinkle the seeds, water, and let them do their thing. The germination took about 14 to 21 days as advertised, which is pretty quick for a grass seed mix. One of the standout features is how it blends 4 different cool season grasses, including Kentucky bluegrass, perennial rye, turf-type tall fescue, and fine fescues. This variety is ideal for shady to partially sunny areas, giving the mix great versatility depending on your lawn's conditions. I noticed that the areas where I applied the seed were already looking greener within a few weeks, with a healthy, dense texture. Of course, no product is perfect. While the seed mix does a great job in shady spots, it might not be the best choice for full sun areas. You'd likely see better results with a mix that's more geared towards sunny lawns. Another thing to consider is the maintenance. Like any lawn seed, you need to stay consistent with watering and possibly light fertilization for optimal results. The bag is on the larger side, so it's great for larger lawns. But if you have a small yard, you might find yourself with extra seeds, which could go to waste if not used promptly. Is this review useful to you? If it helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so others who need help with their lawn care can find this video too. Now let's talk about the value. For a 25-pound bag that can cover up to 7,500 square feet, the price seems pretty reasonable when you factor in how much area it covers. While you could find other grass seed mixes at a lower price, they may not offer the same shade tolerance or versatile grass variety. If you're dealing with heavy shade, this product definitely seems worth the investment for the coverage and results. When it comes to alternatives, you might find other shade-tolerant grass blends, but they won't have the same combination of cool season grasses that this one offers. Some other brands might offer cheaper options, but remember, you get what you pay for in terms of quality and performance. In terms of build quality and longevity, the seed itself seems to be high quality. There's nothing special about the packaging, but the seeds are well processed and they delivered good results for me. Based on what I've seen so far, this product should last well through the seasons, as long as you follow the recommended care. As for customer support, I didn't have any personal interactions with the company, but Jonathan Green has a solid reputation in the lawn care industry, and their products tend to be reliable. I haven't heard of many issues from other users, and their customer service is known to be responsive when needed. So, to wrap things up, the Jonathan Green Black Beauty Dense Shade Grass Seed is a solid choice for those with shady lawns who want a lush, green look. It performs well in cooler months, provides excellent coverage, and can handle shady to partially sunny areas. The only downside is that it's not meant for full sun lawns, and it may not be ideal for smaller yards unless you plan to use the extra seed. Overall, if you have a shaded lawn, this mix is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in trying out this grass seed, the link will be in the comments box. Let me know if you have any questions or thoughts about your own lawn care experiences. Until next time, keep your grass greener with Beautyistic.